All right, guys. So I woke up this morning. I had me some coffee and I got on the treadmill for 30 minutes and did a 30-minute workout. Y'all, I sweat so much. I feel so good. I feel really good when I have a good sweat like that. So, of course, after being on vacation, I come back and I just really feel like I've got to do a reset. I've got to get back on it. And so that's what I've been doing. That's what I'm going to do. That's what I'm starting to do starting today. So, I'm starting out my breakfast this morning with a delicious shake. So I've got me some frozen strawberries here and I've got me some collagen peptides. I put a scoop of that in and I put in my Quest protein shake. And you guys, this is so delicious. And I've drank this much because it was filled to the top. And let me show you. I still have this much left. So what I'm going to do is just put this in the freezer for tomorrow. And I'll have that for breakfast tomorrow. But guys, this is so delicious. I'm really almost full already. I don't know what the deal is, but I'm pretty much full. So, but I'm going to try to drink a little bit more because I feel like I'm going to be hungry really soon if I don't. So I'm going to try to drink a little bit more. And yeah, anyway, this is going to be my breakfast and I'll come back for lunch time and let you guys know what I'm having for lunch. All right, guys, so I told you earlier that I am doing a reset this week. So again, I'm doing every day this week. I'm having a smoothie for breakfast, some type of smoothie, and I'm having some type of salad for lunch, and then a good whole foods type dinner with a good protein and a good vegetable for a side, something like that. So right now, Angelina and I are on our way to pick up Rico. He spent time with my mom, his grandma per se, while we were on vacation, and so we're going to pick him up right now. But before we go, I stopped to get me a salad. So I'm trying Chick-fil-A's new lemon kale salad, and I'll let you guys know how it tastes once I get everything on there. But of course, it's kale. It's got lemon in here. I see Parmesan cheese shavings, grilled chicken. You can choose whether you want your chicken warmed or if you want it cold. I like that idea. And then it comes, let me talk, it smells amazing. Look at that. Does that look good? And then it comes with a lemon Caesar vinaigrette. Let me check the carbs. Okay, 6 carbs. There are 6 net carbs in one of these. Okay, so I'm going to do my best to just, hopefully one of these will be enough. And then, of course, it has lemon wedges. I don't want it to be too lemony. So I'm just going to try the lemon Caesar vinaigrette first. And then I'll let you guys know how it tastes. I'll be back. So this is the deal with the lemon kale salad from Chick-fil-A. It is pretty tasty. Me personally, I like more things in my salad. I could use some tomato in here. Maybe even a little bit of cucumber. But it is tasty. The vinaigrette is really yummy. It does also come with a package of lemon Parmesan panko, and these have 7 net carbs in them, the entire pack. So I will not be using this pack, but I bet it would be really tasty on here. But I could use a little something more on the salad. It does again have the Parmesan cheese shavings and the grilled chicken, and then you got your lemon in there, and then the really tasty vinaigrette. And one package of the vinaigrette is just fine for me. But yeah, I need some more stuff going on in the salad. So I will get this again, but I'll probably add my own tomato, or ask them to add tomato and something cheese else. Or ooh, more Parmesan cheese. Yeah, like Angelina said, more cheese. But anyway, it's good, and I think you guys should give it a try. We are back from picking up little Rico from my mom's. He is now home again, and he's happy. Say hi to everybody, Rico. Say hey, bud.
I'm trying to get him to come over here.
Yeah, he didn't want to talk to y'all for some reason today.
Come here, buddy.
But anyway, actually, he turned his back to us. Okay, dear. We want to talk to you anyway, Rico. So again, we are back, and I stopped by Kroger to pick up a few things. So I'm going to show you guys my little mini Kroger grocery haul. All right, so this is what I got. Really quickly, I got the shaved beef. You guys, I told you already twice or 3 times what I was going to be eating this week. So I got me a couple of proteins, mostly chicken and beef. So I got some shaved beef here. I got 2 of those. I love these. Very versatile, not only in sandwiches, but in stir fries and everything. They're really delicious. I got me some boneless, skinless chicken breast here. I'm going to be probably cooking this today. And then I got some split chicken breast with the bone in. I'm going to be making like a chowder or stew type something. And I like the bone in for the brothy part. It just really flavors it really well. So I got that. And then I also got some chicken wings back here. You guys know how I feel about chicken wings, okay? I don't even need to explain. Y'all already know. I got me some crispy onions. Again, guys, this is not keto, but I do like a few of these on my salad. And when I put these in my salad, it never knocks me out of ketosis. I don't go overboard with them. But these are so delicious. And they were 2 for $4. So I did pick those up. My little crispy onions, they are so delicious. I like that crunch in my salad. So moving on, next I got me another container of unsweetened vanilla almond milk. I love this in my cereal and everything else. I got me some heavy whipping cream. I have some broccoli that I bought at the store today, and I want some broccoli and cheese so bad. So I'm going to make me a low-carb cheese sauce, and I'm going to use some heavy whipping cream for that. Also, I got me a block of cheese. I do not like to use the pre-shredded cheese in my cheese sauce. So I got a block of sharp cheddar cheese to shred to put in my cheese sauce. Got some reduced fat milk. We don't drink milk much around here. My husband does. He only needs a little bit. So I always get him the reduced fat. And Angelina likes oat milk, so I buy that for her. And then, of course, I like almond milk. So we're all different here in this house. So this is for my husband. The riced cauliflower was also on sale. It was 2 for $5, so I got 2 packages of that. Love that. I put it in the freezer until I'm ready to use it. I got me a package of baby spinach. I have a recipe that I'm going to be using that in this week. I got me a bag of the American blend lettuce, of course, for my salads. I'm also going to be using some of this spinach to make, a mixed greens type salad. So I'll probably mix some spinach up with the American blend lettuce to make a delicious salad or 2 this week. Ran out of onions, so of course I needed some onions. Got me some green onions also to go in a recipe that I'm going to be using the beef stir fry for. Got me some cabbage. This cabbage was on sale, so I got some of that. I'm going to be using that. I think I'm going to do an egg roll bowl sometime this week. Not sure yet, still thinking about that. If not, I have a few other things I'm going to do with that cabbage. Told you guys I got some broccoli. I was in the mood for some broccoli and cheese today, so I'm going to steam some broccoli and then add a delicious low-carb cheese sauce on that. And of course, for my smoothies, I started to get some frozen blueberries as well. But, that strawberry smoothie was so fantastic. And I also have some fresh blueberries. So I'm probably just going to get those fresh blueberries, wash them off really good, and put those in the freezer to use. But this bag right here was like $8. So, and then for a bag of blueberries, it was $9. So you know what? I'm just going to use these right here and then freeze the fresh blueberries that I already have. Got a red bell pepper also for a stir fry something and some jalapenos. I think I'm going to have myself maybe a little snack later on with some jalapeno poppers, or I'm going to use this. I have another recipe I'm going to use it for. Not quite sure yet, but they were on sale and they looked amazing. So I went on and picked up some jalapenos. And then that's it, guys. Like I said, a really small grocery haul for just a few things that I needed here to keep me stocked up for the rest of the week. So this is for my family and myself. We're going to be eating really good. And also guys, I forgot I had this ground turkey out. I took it out this morning to thaw because I was going to make something with it today. I don't even remember what I was going to do. I'm thinking about it. Lord have mercy. But anyway, it's been sitting out. It has thawed out. So I'm going to go ahead and cook this up. And for my salad tomorrow, I'm going to make me a taco salad. So I'm going to go ahead and cook this up and use some Sincerely Legenia taco spice blend in this and just have it ready to go for tomorrow's taco salad for lunch. So I'm going to also do that while I'm getting my cheese sauce together. All right, everyone. So I've got my ground turkey going over here. It's actually finished with the Sincerely Legenia Mexican Spice Blend. It's going, and again, it's actually done. So I'm going to turn it off. I'm going to put that in the storage container and put it in the refrigerator for tomorrow, and I'll have, yeah, a taco salad for my salad tomorrow. And over here, I've got my cream sauce going. So in here, I have some heavy whipping cream. I have 2 tablespoons of butter. It actually should not be boiling. Let me turn that down. Okay, it should not be boiling. So what I have in here is heavy whipping cream. I have 2 tablespoons of butter. I put about 1/4 of a teaspoon of ground mustard. I've got 2 ounces of cream cheese. And so I've just been waiting for the cream cheese and the butter actually to melt. And I think that it has. It looks like it has. I put some pink Himalayan salt in there. I'm going to put a little bit of black pepper as well. Put some black pepper in here. And mix that up. I really need a whisk or something. But I don't want to dirty up any more dishes. Broccoli is over here. It is finished. It has steamed nicely. All right, so everything is in here. Oh, I also want to put a little bit of paprika in here too. I like paprika in my cheese sauce. So a little bit of paprika going in. That's about another 1/4 of a teaspoon of paprika. So I'm going to mix that in. Get that incorporated really well. And then I'm going to turn the burner off and we're going to add our cheese in just a minute. Let me go ahead and get my whisk. All right, got my whisk. This works a lot better. So whisk that in. Nothing like a good old homemade cheese sauce. All right, so that's nice and creamy. Now let's go ahead and add in our cheese. Okay, I've got my cheese shredded over here. I'm not going to need all of this cheese. Trust me, I will not need all of this cheese. So I'm probably going to start out by adding in maybe about 4 ounces of cheese. Stir that in. I have turned my burner off. Delicious, rich, creamy. And then I'm going to taste it to see if that's enough cheese after all of this has melted. And what makes this so delicious and low carb, most cheese sauces will start out with a roux of flour and butter. Of course, we did not use any flour, so that's what makes this a delicious low carb option. But it is, trust me, it is just as good and just as delicious as the other cheese sauce. So let me give this a taste. All right, I'm adding a little bit more, maybe about another ounce. And let's whisk that in. All right, guys, so there we have it, a delicious broccoli cheese sauce ready to go. Let me let you guys see the texture of this. Got me another spoon here. Let me let you guys see the texture of this. A delicious, rich, creamy cheese sauce ready to go on our broccoli. And then, of course, leftovers, you can use it for nachos or whatever else you may have. All right, got my ground turkey in a storage container, and it's ready to go for tomorrow. I'm going to stick this in the refrigerator. All right, everybody, and here you have it, or here I have it. These are the burnt ends from yesterday, and if you don't know what burnt ends are, they're just, at the restaurant out here, they are the ends of the brisket. You know, when they roast or they smoke their brisket, they cut off the ends of it, and they mostly sell the brisket, the middle part of the brisket. Well, these are the burnt ends, and they sell the burnt end pieces of the brisket at a really good price, and so we love those. They literally cut them off, and then they kind of sear them a little bit, and they're literally burnt ends. And then, of course, my broccoli and cheese, which I have been craving today. So this is my dinner, and I am satisfied. I am ready to eat. So I will talk to you guys in a minute.